Are you over the age of 60 and finding it difficult to deal with an enlarged prostate? This condition, often accompanied by frequent trips to the bathroom and discomfort while urinating, can significantly impact daily life. This post will explore 5 types of drinks you should avoid and 5 beneficial alternatives to improve prostate health. This information is based on scientific research and is intended for educational purposes. Please consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Drinks to avoid with an enlarged prostate. 1. Citrus fruit juices. Citrusy drinks like orange juice, lemonade, and grapefruit juice are rich in citric acid. While they may be refreshing, citric acid can increase the acidity of your urine, irritate the bladder and urinary tract, leading to more frequent urination. If you enjoy fruit juices, choose less acidic options like apple juice, cranberry juice, or pomegranate juice. These are gentler on the bladder and may even support prostate health. 2. Coffee. Coffee contains caffeine, a known stimulant that promotes urination by stimulating bladder muscles, potentially increases prostate inflammation, worsening symptoms of an enlarged prostate or BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia. If you can't part with your morning coffee, consider switching to decaffeinated coffee to reduce caffeine intake while maintaining your routine. 3. Caffeinated teas. Black and green teas, while beneficial in moderation, still contain caffeine. Caffeine can irritate the bladder and exacerbate urinary symptoms. Decaffeinated teas or herbal options like hibiscus tea, chamomile, or peppermint tea are excellent choices. These teas are naturally caffeine-free and offer anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that support prostate health. 4. Energy drinks. Energy drinks are loaded with caffeine and other stimulants. Regular consumption can irritate the bladder, increase urinary frequency and inflammation. Avoid these beverages entirely if you're dealing with prostate issues. 5. Alcohol. Heavy alcohol consumption is linked to increased risk of advanced BPH and prostate cancer, inflammation and oxidative stress in the prostate, frequent urination, which can worsen existing urinary symptoms. Limit alcohol intake to moderate levels or avoid it altogether. Drinks to boost prostate health. 1. Tomato juice. Tomato juice is a powerhouse of lycopene, a pigment with proven benefits for prostate health. Studies suggest that lycopene reduces inflammation. It may lower the risk of prostate cancer and help manage enlarged prostate symptoms. Drinking fresh tomato juice is an easy way to increase your lycopene intake. 2. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, including epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which helps combat oxidative stress, may reduce the risk of prostate cancer and inflammation. While green tea is beneficial, its extract offers a higher concentration of these compounds. Incorporate green tea into your daily routine for gradual benefits. 3. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is a caffeine-free, antioxidant-rich herbal tea known for its health benefits. Research indicates that it has potential anti-cancer properties. It may help reduce inflammation, making it an excellent choice for prostate health. 4. Matcha. Matcha, a powdered form of green tea, provides a more concentrated dose of antioxidants. However, it contains caffeine and may not suit everyone. Try matcha in small amounts initially, especially if you are sensitive to caffeine. 5. Water. Water is the most essential drink for overall health. Staying hydrated ensures proper bladder function, reduced risk of urinary complications associated with BP. Replace caffeinated or sugary beverages with plain water to maintain hydration and support prostate health. Managing an enlarged prostate requires mindful lifestyle choices, including dietary adjustments. You can improve your symptoms and overall well-being by avoiding bladder-irritating drinks and opting for nutrient-rich alternatives.